This is how to create a cinematic title in Premiere Pro. First, apply the Gaussian blur effect to your text layer. Then click the stopwatch icons for scale, blurriness, and opacity to create keyframes. Set the opacity to 0% and the blurriness to 100. Move the playhead to around 2 seconds and adjust the scale to the final size you want your text to reach. Then reduce the blurriness to 0 and now set the opacity to 100%. Now move that scale keyframe to around the 4-second mark, depending on how long you want the animation to last. Drag the playhead to the beginning of your text and create a circular mask under Gaussian blur. Increase its size so it takes up the entirety of your text, and then increase your feather to around 700. Click on the stopwatch for mask path and drag your playhead back to the 2-second mark. Now drag the mask off the text. If you want your effect to be slower, simply move the keyframes further along.